Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Ally bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, search for Ally bank login. And as the search result, you can see at the first option, Login Ally. Click on it. It will take you to the login portal of Ally bank account. And over here, enter your username of the account. Once you do that, enter the password of your account. To confirm what you typed, you can click here on the eye icon and click on login. You will be logged into your Ally bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your username or password, you can click here forgot username or password to reset it. So this is how you can log in into your Ally bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.